Today, you will learn how to turn on spell check in Word document. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. Microsoft Word already has a built-in spelling and grammar checker, and in most cases, it is turned on by default. You just need to know how it works and how to make sure it is enabled. When spell check is working, Word automatically watches what you type. If you misspell a word, Word shows a red wavy underline under that word. If there's a grammar or formatting issue, Word shows two blue underlines. For example, if you accidentally type two spaces between words, Word detects that as a grammar issue and marks it with blue lines. If you type a word like video instead of video, Word instantly detects it as a spelling mistake and marks it with a red underline. These colored underlines are Word's way of telling you that something needs attention. Now let's make sure spell check is actually turned on in your Word. Open your document, go to the File menu, click on Options, and then click on Proofing. Here, you will see options related to spelling and grammar. Make sure the boxes for Check Spelling as you type and Mark Grammar Errors as you type are checked. Once these are enabled, Word will automatically start checking your document while you type. As you continue typing, you will start noticing red and blue underlines in different places. To correct these errors, you can simply right-click on the underlined word. Word will show you a list of suggested corrections. You can click the correct word from a list, and Word will instantly fix it for you. This is the easiest method for beginners because it only requires a right-click and a single selection. There's also a very powerful keyboard shortcut that many beginners don't know about. If you press Alt F7 on your keyboard, Word will jump directly to the first spelling or grammar mistake in your document. This is very useful when you finish typing and want Word to guide you through all the errors one by one. If you want to start from the beginning, place your cursor at the top of the document first and then press Alt F7. When you press Alt F7, Word highlights the error and opens a small suggestion box. You can use the up and down arrow keys on your keyboard to select the correct suggestion and press Enter to apply it. This allows you to fix errors without even touching your mouse. However, if you want to ignore the suggestion, you will need to click the Ignore option with your mouse. For spelling mistakes, Word usually gives several suggestions. You can either fix the mistake, ignore that one instance, or ignore every instance of that same word in the entire document. This is helpful if the word is actually correct, but Word doesn't recognize it. You also have another very useful option called Add to Dictionary. If you click this option, Word will remember that word forever and will never mark it as a mistake again. This is very useful for names, technical terms, or words used in your organization. After correcting one mistake, simply press Alt F7 again to move to the next one. Keep doing this until Word finishes checking the entire document. You can also manually run a full spelling and grammar check anytime by going to the Review tab and clicking on Spelling and Grammar. Word will start scanning your document from the current cursor position and guide you through each issue step by step. If you found this video helpful and learned something new today, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.